Let's go to page 446, set 2, number 21. It says the sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is 68. If 1 is added to the numerator and 12 is added to the denominator, the resulting fraction is 2/7. What is the original fraction? So this is just like an earlier problem, except now you have more steps. The equation is a little bit more complicated, but it's the same thing. So you're looking for the original fraction. So original fraction is equal to the numerator over denominator. So the reason you write these things down so you can keep track of what you try to do. Because if you don't write it down, then after you do all that, you're going to get confused and you're going to lose track of, you're going to say, oh, what I'm doing. Or you're going to lose track of what you're doing. Okay? So again, so this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the original fraction that has a numerator over denominator. Now let's go back and read. Okay, it says the sum of the numerator, so sum means plus. The sum of numerator, so that's n, and the denominator, so that's d, right? The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction means equal 68. Okay, so now you're going to start to mess with the fraction. So again, you start with your fraction, that's your original. It says if 1 is added to the numerator, so 1 is added to the numerator, and 12 is added to the denominator. So 12 is added to the denominator. And the resulting fraction is 2/7. Okay. So this is not a substitution kind like before. So what we can do is, let's go and try to use elimination method, right? So let's go and cross multiply. Let's go and cross multiply. So I'm going to put this on this side. So I'm going to get 2d plus 24 equal to 7n plus 7. Okay, now that's another equation over here, right? So I'm going to make it look similar so I can use the elimination method. So I'm going to move the, notice like an n and a d, right? So I'm going to minus 7n, so minus 7n to get rid of that. And minus 24 to get rid of these. So I got negative 7n plus 2d equal to negative 17. So now I have two equations, right? Now since this already is 7, negative 7 already, I can multiply this. I'm going to move these things down here. So just like before. So I can go and try to solve, right? So you can eliminate either the n or the d. It doesn't matter. So if you don't like the big number, if you want to eliminate the d, then you can multiply by negative 2, right? To make them opposite, so you can eliminate, right? So you got negative 2n minus 2d equal to negative 136. And I'm going to put this underneath. So put this under here. So I got negative 2n minus 2d equal to negative 136. So this will cancel out. So I get negative 9n equal to negative 153. Divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. So n equal to 6. So once I find n equal to 16, then I use this equation over here. So I got 16 plus d equal to 68. So minus 16, minus 16. So I got d equal to 52. So numerator is 16, denominator is 52. Wait, hold on. 17, sorry. It's 17. Back up. 17. So it's 51. Okay, so your original fraction would be 17/51, and that's it. Now, if you can reduce, do not reduce, because you asked for original fraction. Okay. So again, we did this earlier, right? So it's just that the equations are a little bit more messy, but it's the same steps. You got to retranslate into equation, and you just have to solve. Use whatever technique you need to, right? Okay, so let's go and do 21 and 22.